Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade an e-bike. First, carefully assess your current e-bike's components and overall performance. Think about what you want to improve, whether it's more speed, longer range, or better comfort. It's also important to consider your budget and how comfortable you are with DIY projects before diving into any modifications. This initial planning will guide your upgrade choices effectively. To boost performance, consider upgrading your motor for more power and speed, especially if you tackle hills often. A higher capacity battery is excellent for extending your riding range, letting you go further on a single charge. Don't forget safety. Installing hydraulic disc brakes can significantly improve stopping power and control, which is crucial for faster e-bikes. These changes make a noticeable difference. Enhancing comfort and utility can transform your riding experience. Swapping out your saddle and grips for more ergonomic options can drastically improve comfort on longer rides. Adding a suspension fork will absorb shocks, providing a much smoother ride over uneven surfaces. For practicality, installing racks allows you to carry cargo, and bright lights ensure you are visible and safe, day or night. For advanced upgrades, a new controller can fine-tune your motor's performance, offering more precise control over power delivery and speed settings. Upgrading to a color display provides richer data, like battery health and trip statistics, enhancing your overall riding information. Remember to always prioritize safety and compatibility when making significant changes. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to smart speaker deals and other great offers to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.